Hey guys, it's Tasha. I hope you guys can hear me. I would come out when my son is out here vacuuming his car, but I want to get this done and go ahead on and get it finished. These are some cabbages that I had out here, and I just cut them up today, and I'm going to put them out in the garden somewhere. There's only one that didn't fare too well, and that's this one right here. I'm going to put it out there anyway, so if he makes it, he makes it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. These are three marigolds that I had in this cup. So they're going out today as well. This is a basil. I can't remember what this, I think this, can I say that's cilantro? I don't know, but it's one of the plants or one of the herbs that's supposed to help with the pests. And I'm not sure what's in here. I know that one, and that one are the same. So I just got to figure out what they are and handle it accordingly. Now my main issue, I don't know if you guys can see down there. Let me see if I can go back and get down there. Oops, it's down there. Okay. Last year I did not have any problem with pests on my my pepper plants, and now they are just eating the peppers up. So I'm gonna go. And we're gonna go get a little bit closer down there. Then I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Well, not a sneak peek. I'll give you guys a closer look. Give me just a second. Okay, I can give you a little bit better, a little closer look here. There are the onions. And see my peppers, how they've been eaten alive. I didn't have this problem last year. I guess because that last year was my first year growing. And now the insects are like, okay, we know we're gonna have something good to eat over here. So let's go over there and eat her stuff up. These are potatoes right here. That's one ginger plant right there. This is another potato. And that's a potato as well. There's two little ones coming up right there. I don't know if you'll be able to see them or not, but there they are. What else we got going on? Oh, I pulled up one of these because it was dying. All of the seed pods had turned brown, like on this one right here, and I don't feel anything in these, you know, like something I don't know, but I am more inclined to feel that I am not going to be getting seeds out of these either. That is the first marigold plant that I sprouted from a seed, and there's actually one in here as well that I may have to move maybe closer to the edge. Let me see. Where are you? Where you at? Where you at? Here we go. There it is. Right there. So I might have to move it closer to the edge or something, or probably put it in another pot. This is a mishmash pot. This is a cucumber, and as you can see, it's got a little cucumber growing right there. Pepper. Not a pepper, I'm sorry. Tomato, and I think that's what's in there. 3 tomatoes, that cucumber plant, not sure what else, but I know that's what's in there. Let's go over here. Here are the watermelon seedlings that I've given away, about 2/3 of them, and these are the ones that are left. What's those things? These things are just being eaten alive. No matter what I've done, it hasn't stopped. So I am probably going to just pull them up at some point in time when I get ready and just be done with them. And I may not even grow them anymore, or if I do, I have to figure out how to keep them from getting eaten. That's a potato. Here are some cucumbers here. That's another pepper plant that's been eaten alive. There's another marigold. There's a marigold as well. So I got these. Oh, let me see if I can get them. Hold on. As a matter of fact, let me stop this right quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, these are 3 marigolds, and these right here. Let me move this out the way. This is, look at the right side of that everywhere. I need to sweep that off down here into my compost pile. Anyway, this was a cabbage plant. I just cut the bottom off and started these. Then I cut them all up. And I got 6, and that's possibly 2 right there, which would make 7. This one right here is the one that didn't seem to fare too well. It started out okay. I don't know how it's going to finish, but I'm gonna plant it. I may plant some right here since I pulled up that one collard green plant that was growing, and I may put one over there somewhere. I don't know. I might just keep them here. I got 2 empty buckets, so I might put them in a bucket. That's what I'll do. I'll stick them in a bucket, and when I get that done, I'll be back and show you guys. Okay, I'm back, and now that's the outside unit is going. Now those 2 little things, I think those are cilantro. I'm not sure. There is one cabbage, that's the second worst cabbage, I think, and the first worst one is right there. You probably can't even tell where he at, right? Yeah, you can't tell, but he in there. And then there's a marigold right there. And I put a marigold with the next 2 cabbage seedlings, or whatever you want to call them, right there and right there. And I put a marigold right there. And let's go over this way. Oh, right here, that's a basil right there with this plant that's been eaten alive. I hope they don't eat the basil up like that. And then I put these 2 cabbages over here with the marigold. And I think that's it for right now. Oh, and I moved the marigold right there from in the middle of the pot, so hopefully it'll be okay right there. I may have to move it again. If I do, I'll just put it in its own pot next time. Okay guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my garden with me today. I don't even know what today is. What is today? The 28th, I think? I think it's May the 28th. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you have a good day, and I hope your garden is doing well. Bye-bye.